Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to withdraw money from Worldcoin app to bank account. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open the Worldcoin app on your device and log into your account. Once you're in, tap on the wallet icon at the bottom of your screen. Here, you'll see a new screen. Just tap on the send button. Now, you'll need to choose which cryptocurrency or balance you want to transfer, whether it's Worldcoin, Bitcoin, USD, or another asset. After selecting it, you'll need to enter the wallet address where you want to send the funds. At the moment, there's no direct way to send money from Worldcoin to your bank account, so you'll first need to transfer your funds to a crypto exchange like Binance, Bybit, or any other you prefer. To do that, open your chosen exchange app, go to the Assets section, and tap on Add Funds option. Then tap on Chain Deposit, and then search for the same cryptocurrency you're sending from Worldcoin. For example, if you're transferring Worldcoin, type it into the search bar and select it from the results. Next, choose the correct network. For Worldcoin, you can select World Chain. This will give you a deposit address. Tap the Copy button to copy the address. Now go back to the Worldcoin app, paste the wallet address in the required field, and confirm it. You'll see a warning screen. Tap I have confirmed the address. Then, enter the amount you want to transfer, tap Continue, and finally click on Confirm Send. Your Worldcoin will then be transferred from the Worldcoin app to your selected exchange. Once the funds have arrived in your crypto exchange, the final step is to withdraw them to your bank account. Each exchange has a slightly different process, so if you're not sure, just search for tutorials like how to withdraw money from Binance to bank account on YouTube or Google. You'll find step-by-step guides for your exchange and your country's banking options. And that's it. So that's basically how you can withdraw money from Worldcoin app to bank account. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.